How's that side hustle going for you? If you are an Uber or Lyft driver, how's your personal auto insurance? Is your policy at risk? CBS 5 advocate Dave Cherry is here tonight with why your insurance may need an upgrade. Dave?
That's right, Scene. Most insurers allow you to drive for Uber or Lyft, but to be fully covered, you need to pay for a policy addendum, and it may be expensive. But we have a viewer who says two insurers didn't want him as a customer at all after they found out he was a rideshare driver.
I'm retired. I'm on a fixed income.
5 months after Charles Dickerson started driving for Lyft, when his personal auto policy with AAA was up for renewal, he casually mentioned to them that he used his car for ride sharing. He says AAA made their position clear.
If you drive for Uber or Lyft, we will cancel your policy if we find out.
Sure enough, AAA refused to renew his policy. Dickerson then got approved by Progressive, but the insurer canceled just days later after they found out he drove for Lyft, stating commercial use of his car was unacceptable. Dickerson says rideshare drivers should be concerned.
Their personal coverage is in jeopardy when they're driving for Lyft or Uber, and I think that they have no clue that that is the case.
Some insurers offer an option that allows rideshare drivers to keep their personal policy. Dickerson says he got quotes from 2 major carriers.
They were 2 to 3 times more expensive than the policy that I have if I decide not to drive for Lyft.
Dickerson says Lyft never discussed with him the risk he could lose his personal auto policy if his insurer found out he drove for them. He was caught completely by surprise.
That there are thousands of drivers out there that are at risk on their personal policies and they don't know it.
All right, well, I talked to AAA, and at this time it is still unclear how they handle rideshare drivers, so customers should be cautious about discussing the matter with them. A Progressive spokesperson told me that they are offering a new endorsement any day now that will allow rideshare drivers to keep their personal auto policies. However, our viewer says that he called a Progressive agent this morning and they didn't know anything about this new program. So I'm going to update you on both AAA and Progressive if we get a definitive answer from them. But in the meantime, I've put a list of other insurers that do allow rideshare driving with an endorsement on the web version of this story, and also a statement from Lyft. Tell me about your consumer disputes, too. Go to azfamily.com/CBS5 Advocate. Click on the link. Fill out that form right there. It's going to come to me, and I promise you will hear back from me.
All right.